Hi everyone, this is Noyan, the CEO of Decktopus AI. We are just 6 people in our team, and I'd like to show you how we use AI, automate things, and increase efficiency in our team. So today I'll show you our Churn Lab automation. When a customer cancels the subscription, we ask the reason. Why did you cancel your subscription? And after getting the reason, we push this message to our internal churn reason Slack channel. And this triggers our AI automation, and we use the Make platform for our AI automation systems. And after that, this automation creates a records in our Notion database, and based on the analysis result, we either collect them together and analyze them using ChatGPT or Claude bi-weekly, monthly, or we take action like calling the customer, emailing the customer, or maybe triggering another AI automation based on the suggested solution by AI automation. And let's see the Make automation. This is our entire automation. Actually, this is a pretty simple. As I said, it's the Slack message triggers the automation first, and we have a simple text parser here. It just helps us to get necessary information from the Slack message. And then we have LLM here. We provide two important information. First, the customer information, the subscription plan, for example, cheaper plan, expensive plan, enterprise plan, and the country of the customer, and of course, churn reason, plus the information about the platform, the abilities of the platform, something that we have in our roadmap, some information about our teams. And based on all these information, the AI generates an analysis report. It suggests some solution. It enriches the problem and maybe some underlying problem based on the product situation. And also it suggests suitable team. Is it a design team issue, AI team issue, support team issue, success team issue? So it assigns suitable team member, and it assigns priority based on the customer subscription. If it is an enterprise customer, it is a very urgent issue. We have to take immediate action. But if it is a cheaper plan customer, maybe we can delay our action, we can collect them together, and we can make a more detailed approach to solve the entire reasons instead of taking action immediately to get back that customer. So based on all this information, it creates a Notion records in our Notion database. And after that, it creates a Slack message like, I created the report, here is the link. And also it puts an emoji. In this way, we can see that our automation works properly and analysis reports are ready. And these break actions are important because sometimes due to some limitations or some technical problems, Notion and Slack platforms do not take the action or fail doing the action. So it just breaks, and after completing all the actions, we can manually retry the action. In this way, we can complete all the actions properly. And based on that, we review our Churn Lab Notion database monthly, and based on that, we take action. It really helps us to decide what to do next, and also instead of just collecting reasons, it enriches data based by looking at our product and current situation. It really helps us to build and shape our roadmap. I hope it works for you as well. Please let me know if you try this approach, or if you have any questions about this workflow. I would like to help you, and I'm planning to share other use cases that we have in terms of AI automation. So I'm planning to share this kind of stuff. So if you like it, like this message, and follow me. In this way, you can be aware of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you.